In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo account to PayPal. It's simple and only takes a few steps. First, open the PayPal app or go to paypal.com and log in. Tap your wallet or click Transfer Money, then select Add Money. Choose your Wells Fargo bank account. If it's already linked, select it and enter the amount you want to transfer. If not, click Link a Bank and follow the steps to connect your Wells Fargo account. Once connected, confirm the transfer. It may take 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your PayPal balance. You can also speed things up by using an instant transfer if PayPal offers that option for your account. Double-check that your bank details are correct before sending. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Wells Fargo to PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy finance tips and money transfer guides.